rest of the Cabal have all but gone to war. If the vampires and the rest of the Cabal split like the network did, that's good for Team Anti-Vampire Apocalypse, Jason said. We need to get back to fixing the link between the worlds before the vampires make any large collective moves. Indications are that it's close.
Nice one, buddy!
Okay, that was interesting. Cam is calling from Milwaukee. You're on CBS Sports Radio. Go ahead, Cam.
Hey, what's going on there? Thanks.
Today about those two clowns on Boston radio that they don't even watch hockey, they just talk about it and troll people, and people they're always telling me, dude, those guys, they're just Boston media.
It might take years, even decades of careful study, but the potential gains from having access to it could accelerate our understanding of dimensional magic far beyond what it would otherwise reach.
Really?
I don't think they were wrong to study it. Not
Fucking chairs. Yeah, you lost some chairs, asshole.
for a response, Gore carried his armload of unstable Genesis cores through the portal. The other three watched the portal for reactions, but there were no visible changes. Are you fine if we just leave these cores here? Chen asked Jason, having prevented Gore from
School, get your jaw socked. Trying to pump your gas, get your car shot. Large profit margin on the long shots. These young niggas rarely make it off the R block. Nighttime, lokes on. Fucking young bitches while ain't folks on.
Somebody got caught speeding.
Didn't go. Couldn't understand my plan, now you niggas know. Self-made, well-paid. I'm from where they tell you never touch the shell case. I'm from where they teach you never trust a pale face. Let's talk banging, I can tell you about a failed race. Real shit, real shit. I know what my real niggas feel is. Nighttime, lokes on. Fucking young bitches while they folks home. Real bad.
For the minds, and you never know. She be top 10 in my eyes if I let her go. She be upset when I come out.
Oh, you listen.
You're too gassed up.
What is this guy doing? What's he doing? Oh.
The stronger you'll become, and soon you'll develop a more productive, can-do dialogue with yourself in stressful situations. Take a photo or video of yourself in the discomfort zone.
Idiot.
Post it on social media describing what you're doing and why. And don't forget to include the hashtag.
Yeah, there's a bike lane there, buddy. 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 Yeah, buddy, there's a bike lane. Yeah, right. Just on your right-hand side. Yeah, there's a bike lane. Yeah, feel free to use it. Yeah. No? Okay. Okay, it's all good. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bike lane there, buddy. No?